Welcome to Murad's Kitchen. We're gonna show you today how to make chili con carne burritos. Dear viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today we're gonna show you how to make Mexican burrito. First of all, you need some chili con carne, but we added with that some peas and sweet corn. We need garnishes. We need onion, chili, carrot, bit of lemon juice, salad, tomatoes, and some cheese and some sour cream. Let's start. At first, we're gonna put some cheese at the bottom. Then we're gonna add our chili con carne mixture. Then we're gonna add our onions. Some chili, bit of carrot, little bit of salad, whatever salad you got is not have to be, precise. Tomatoes. We're gonna add a bit of sour cream on top. I'm gonna add few drops of lemon juice. I'm gonna put the cheeses on top again. Now the rolling part. Now we're gonna wrap them. We're gonna take we're gonna roll. Okay, we are already rolled. Now we're gonna put it in a fuel pepper. We're gonna put it in a fuel pepper. We're gonna wrap it. Viewer, we got a toasting machine. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put it in a toaster and just put it there for 3 to 4 minutes. Viewers, after 2 minutes, I'm gonna turn it over and just put it back. Viewers, if you don't have the toasty machine or the grill, then the way you can do it in a pan, I'll show you now. Make sure your pan is hot. Then you put it in the pan and you cover it for 2 minutes or 2 minutes on each side. I think you're gonna get the more or less the same effect. Viewer, the first one we're gonna show you the toasty machine one. Let's take it in the table and cut it up. Viewers, let's open it. Let's see how it looks. Look at that. Viewers, that's the one is from the tostie machine. Viewers, that's the beautiful burritos. Enjoy and bon appetit. I'm gonna show you now the other one in the pan. We're gonna take this one out now. The one on the pan. Let's see how it looks. Let's open. So one on the pan, they got more color than one was on the toasty machine. Let's cut them and let's have the moment of truth. Let's see how it looks like. Colorful and beautiful. Because this is the one in the pan, we done that, and this is the one we done that in the toasty machine. So, well, I couldn't see that much different, but I think the pan one looks better than the toasty one. If you can have a look at it. Viewers, have a look at it. They look really lovely and yummy. It doesn't matter however you do that, but end of the day, they're gonna taste delicious. Enjoy and bon appetit. Enjoy.